Hi guys, welcome to my channel if you're new. Welcome back if you're one of my subscribers. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. If you're not familiar with Tuner Crate, it's a monthly subscription for car guys, and they have one for car girls like you as well, depending on if you're a man or woman. It is definitely worth it. I get the mystery crate, which is the top of the line one. It ends out being with my discount that I get, I'm paying about $46 a month. I know I'm paying $46 a month. So I'm not really getting enough ad revenue to cover these. I just enjoy getting them. I like the themes. So I'm not sponsored. I'm not getting anything basically other than 20% off. You can use the 50% off code if you're a first-time subscribers. You can get 50% off your first box. I wish I could get that with as many referrals as I've sent them, but hey, that's my own complaint for them. Not that they probably watch these videos anyway, but I love Tuner Crates so far. So let's find out what is the theme this month. I haven't paid attention. I've been too busy working on my car. I have some videos I still need to edit. I've put neon lights inside my car. I have underneath, inside, did some needed maintenance. I still have a bunch of car parts on order that are still coming in, from a carbon fiber spoiler to custom tail lights to I got a bunch of stuff that's still coming in. So this is it says thank you Tuner Crate, and that's it. It just says thank you. It's like a postcard. Then we have tag your tires, made for the daily driven, America, summit photos at Tag Your Tires. So apparently if you tag your tires, I don't know if maybe this is a contest, just says www.tagyourtires.com. So the next thing I have is the Fast and the Furious Brian O'Connor vinyl figure. I feel like I've gotten this one before. One second. Okay, I'm back. And yep. So, Tuner Crate. Hi, I'm Brad, a geeky guy. This is directed at you. What the heck? Are you serious? This is supposed to be that you do not get the same thing ever. You never get a repeat. That was supposedly your guarantee, right? You never get a repeat. So yeah, why do I have now 2 of these? Just saying. And I don't collect them, so yeah, I'm not happy with this box already. So the next thing we have is Transformers themed. Bumblebee, Transformers. So normally these are themed. I feel like you just threw a bunch of crap in a box and sent it to me. Because what does Fast and the Furious have to do with Transformers? Really? Okay, anyways. So now this is cool. FD5, or not 5, I don't know, what is that number? What is that number? I'm bad with Roman numerals. I have no idea. Is that 11? Is that, like, what is that? 20 something? I don't know the number. Please help me out in the description. what number, what Roman numeral is that? So the next, let's check out a shirt. So here comes my husky. Okay, sorry about that. Had to let the dog out. Had to clean up dog pee because... Hi guys, sorry about that. I had to clean up dog pee. She didn't let me know she even had to go outside. Welcome to having a puppy. She's not even a year old, so even though she's supposedly a smart dog, but let's not get into that. So the shirt that I got is... Nice, I like that. But I feel like I've gotten this shirt before. I feel like I've seen this shirt before. But I'm not going to go look through and see if I've gotten this before. Holy... Okay, now the phone rang. Before that, the wife came down and apparently someone from the post office stole part of her package. Like they cut it open and took a pallet that she ordered for makeup out. I'm never going to get this video done. I'm going to keep trying though. Like I've been interrupted about 6 times now. So I apologize. You know, bear with me here. So the next shirt, I like this one a lot. So it's a long sleeve shirt, Formula Drift 04. So Formula Drift 04. So is that the Roman numeral for 04 is XV? Not sure, but I like the shirt. I don't know if you saw that. It's really hard to see. But I definitely like this shirt. It's almost like a baseball style shirt. You can see from the bottom of it, the cut of it. And then, what else? So 2 shirts, a hat, 2 pointless toys. Now we have the air freshener, which is Tuner crate. And then FD. Then you have the Tuner crate sticker. This is, I think, the sticker of the month. Then they has a Tuner Drift Formula Drift crate sticker. It's a bunch of stickers in here. Then we have a Formula Drift car. And we have 2 more stickers. I love stickers, so that makes me happy. Then you've got your piston keychain. I don't use keychains, so I have that in a turbo keychain. Then we have a Formula Drift flag, maybe? Handkerchief? I'm not sure what this is. It didn't come with a sheet that tells you what it came with, but apparently this is a Formula Drift multi-function seamless wear tube. Oh, okay, so it's like almost like a bandana. You can wear it different ways. So it's a tube. Let's flip it this way. So it is a tube Formula Drift. And it shows that you can wear it a bunch of different ways. I don't know if you can see that very well. Yeah, it doesn't come up on camera, but it shows you like different ways that you can wear it on your head, twisted, woman's hair, different stuff like that. Then all of that, it comes with a bag, which I like these. These come in handy. You can put all your stuff in it in the trunk of your car. They don't take up a lot of room. That goes that way. It doesn't take up a lot of room. You can open, has the, so you can use it as a backpack. I definitely like that, so I can put all this stuff in there. Comes with a magazine, which Max Boost, Hit the Boost, Tuner Crate Special Edition Volume 1. So apparently it has a, oh, that's kind of cool. It has a cartoon in it. Has a cartoon story in it. I'm gonna have to definitely check that out. Then the final thing it comes with is a picture. So that is the month's theme. That's everything. I apologize, this video took forever. I'm not sure if I'm gonna, what opening I'm gonna do. Probably check out like the beginning of this. Why am I saying check it out? Wow, it's been a long day. Basically, I'm gonna try to do some sort of intro. I washed my car last weekend before a car show that ended up getting canceled, which again, they canceled it before I even showed up, but they didn't put any notice on any of their websites or social media that it was canceled. So I drove 2 hours to a show that was canceled due to the weather that ended up being perfectly fine. So it's gonna go this Sunday, which I don't even know if I'm gonna drive the 2 hours to go to because I'm like upset at this show, but we'll see. But again, thank you for watching. Check out my other videos, my other unboxings, my other car videos. More definitely to come, and catch you later.